This is a complete guide to taking care of a cat's hair, nails, bathing, and ears. We're glad you found our complete guide to cat care. In it, we'll talk about many ways to keep your cat healthy and happy. Cat hair care. How to understand cat hair. Cats clean themselves all the time, but some types, especially those with long hair, may need extra care. Cat hair is very important for keeping the body cool and keeping the skin safe. Tips for brushing. Regularly brushing your hair stops hairballs and cuts down on shedding. Use a cat brush that is right for the length and type of hair on your cat. How often you brush. Cats with short hair might do better with brushing once a week, while cats with long hair might need to do it every day. Brushing your cat is a great way to spend time together and get closer. Trouble with your hair. Keep an eye out for signs of health problems like mats in the hair, a lot of hair falling out, or changes in the coat. Nail care. Why nail care is important. Cats do many things with their claws, and they need to take care of their nails on a daily basis to avoid problems like ingrown nails. Cats scratch because it's normal for them to do so, and it helps them mark their territory. Techniques for trimming. Cut off the tips of your cat's nails with a cat nail clipper. Be careful not to cut into the quick, because that can hurt and cause blood. Use of positive reinforcement. To make your cat associate nail cutting with good things, give it treats and praise after a good job. Posts for scratching. Give your cat scratching sticks to satisfy its natural urge to scratch. Catnip or scent sprays can help them find places to scratch. Taking baths. How often you take baths? Most cats can clean themselves, so they might not need baths very often. How often you bathe your cat relies on its breed, health, and how you live. Picking shampoos that are safe for cats. Make sure the shampoos you use are safe for cats and won't hurt their skin. Ask your doctor for help if you're not sure which product is best. How to take a bath correctly. Make sure everything is ready ahead of time. Use lukewarm water and be gentle and cool during the process. To keep your cat from getting stressed, be careful around the face and ears. Using dry ice and positive reinforcement. To make bath time fun for your cat, pat it dry with a towel and give it treats and lots of love. Ear cleaning. Why ear cleaning is important. Cleaning your ears regularly keeps them healthy and stops illnesses. If you notice heat, swelling, or a bad smell in your cat's ears, that could mean there is a problem. Picking ear cleaners safe for cats. Clean your cat's ears with ear cleaners made just for cats, and don't put anything deep into the ear canal. If you notice anything strange while cleaning, you should talk to your doctor. Method for gentle cleaning. Use a cotton ball and a small amount of ear cleaner to clean the part of the ear that you can see. Watch out for your cat's comfort and stop if they show signs of being upset. Congratulations, you've finished our full guide to taking care of cats. Remember that every cat is different, so make sure that the way you care for them fits their needs. Giving your cat regular care and cleaning will help it live a happy and healthy life. What kind of plan should you use for when to take care of your cat? To make sure your cat is healthy, you need to set up a regular and proper schedule for care. Here is a suggested plan for taking care of your cat in different ways. Schedule for taking care of cats every day. Giving your cat food, give it clean water and breakfast. What kind of food and how much to give should be based on what your vet says. Playtime. Take your cat for interactive playtime to keep its mind and body busy. Play with feather wands or light pointers. Litter box. Care. To keep the litter box clean, scoop it out. Cats like litter boxes that are clean, and regular cleaning helps keep cats from avoiding the litter box. In the afternoon, cats love to take naps. It's important to give your cat a quiet, cozy place to rest during the day. Check for hydration. Make sure your cat can get fresh water all day. Staying hydrated is very important for their health as a whole. Evening. Feeding. Give your cat dinner and give it another chance to drink fresh water. Stick to a regular plan for feeding. Grooming. If your cat needs to be brushed, doing it in the evening can help get rid of loose hair and stop hairballs. Involved play. Doing more involved play in the evening helps burn off extra energy, which makes for a better night's sleep. After dinner. Quiet time. Give your cat a place to relax in peace and quiet before bed. Think about getting a cat bed or blanket. Last call for the litter box. To keep it clean, scoop the litter box one last time before bed. Cat care schedule for the week, Monday. Check and trim your cat's nails. Look over your cat's nails for any sharp edges or problems that could happen. If you need to, trim. Wednesday. Check and clean your ears. Check the ears of your cat for redness, swelling, or discharge. If you need to, clean the ears with an ear cleaner made just for cats. Dental care. Start giving your cat dental care, like brushing its teeth or giving it oral treats. Good dental health is important for general health. Set aside extra time for longer play sessions or get your cat a new interactive toy to keep its mind busy on Saturday. Cat care schedule for the first Monday of every month. Weight check. Keep an eye on how much your cat weighs. If you notice any changes, you should talk to your vet right away. Sudden weight gain or loss could be a sign of health problems. 15th of the month. Parasite prevention. Do what your vet tells you to do to keep fleas, ticks, and worms away. Check in with the vet at the end of the month. Make an appointment with your vet once a month to talk about your cat's health, food, and any worries you have. Cat care schedule for 1 year, once a year, vet visit. Take your pet to the vet once a year for a full checkup, vaccines, and any booster shots that are needed. You can make sure your cat gets the care, attention, and preventative steps it needs for a healthy and happy life by sticking to a daily, weekly, and monthly schedule. Remember that every cat has different needs, so make sure that the schedule fits your cat's wants. Taking your cat to the vet for regular checkups will also help you adjust the plan as your cat's health and lifestyle change. Thanks for watching. We hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope to meet again with new content.